YouTube monetization, the long and tough first goal for any person starting YouTube. But what if it didn't have to be so hard and you could buy monetization before you even start your channel? So I got to work, looking through website after website. Some were just clear scams and some wanted me to pay thousands. Surely it wasn't this expensive just to get monetized on YouTube. After reading through many articles and my own research, I think the best option is to buy a channel that is already ready for monetization. The reason for this is YouTube is becoming super strict with who they let in the partnership program and who they don't. It says here that I can pick a niche and they'll give me a clean channel that follows all the YouTube guidelines and will get accepted for monetization straight away. They're delivered within 24 hours, immediate access in English. And yeah, since we can pick these niches, we can actually pick the highest paying niche, which is business. I'm going to go with that. And then if you want to make another channel, then you can pick one of the other niches. So my email, add to cart, and then we can view cart, and then we can actually go and proceed with the order. Here we go, place order. And now I guess we just gotta wait for the channel to be delivered.
Yes.
Okay, so it's the next day now and we actually do have the invite right here. And I'm a bit confused because it says Music Mania 2022 and we did order a business channel. Hopefully this is in the business niche, but it does say Music Mania and I don't really want a music channel. Let's click accept invitation. Become an owner of Music Mania 2022. Accept. And we are in, I think. So if we go here, our channels, the email that I signed up, we have it, Crypto Vault. So we actually do have a crypto channel. It has 1,200 subscribers and 6.5k hours of watch time. Perfect for monetization. Let's see the videos which we have. So we have these. Decent views on them all really. We have our own intro, okay. So if we go on to monetization, we have the 1,200 subscribers, 1,000 required, 0 guidelines and 6,400 public watch hours when you only need 4,000. So what I'm going to do right now is apply for monetization and then come back to you maybe in a few days and see if we get accepted.
Burn.
Okay, so it's about 4 days later and we are actually monetized. So if we go on the screen right here, we have at the top, congratulations, you have now been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your videos and access support. And we are on the monetization tab right here and it gives us all the options to monetize our videos. And on the website that we actually bought from, it says what to do once we have been monetized so that we don't lose it, because it is very easy to lose monetization nowadays because YouTube are super strict. So it says do not start uploading content against the monetization policies because, trust my word, sooner or later YouTube will disable your monetization due to reused duplicate content. So the positives are that you quickly monetize. If a video does well, then you can just get money from it straight away, and there is less stress because getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is probably the hardest part.
It has come to my attention I've hit 1,000 subs, which is pretty awesome. I should say thank you.
And yeah, getting monetized probably harder because you need 4,000 watch hours, which isn't easy for someone who's just starting on 0 subscribers. And the negatives are that the views and subscribers that you have to get monetized are botted, so this channel will probably have 0 active subscribers, meaning the rest are all inactive. And it's kind of cheating. When you start in YouTube, you need to learn.
It's only my 3rd day out here, I don't know.
You're not really going to go through that learning period because you've already basically cheated to get to your first big milestone. But you know, for someone like me who's been doing YouTube for many years, I would recommend it because who doesn't want to get monetized? And the reason I picked the business niche is because it is super high paying. I'll be able to get about 1,000 views on a video and get about $20 from that. So if you're a new YouTuber, you know, that can make quite a difference in buying equipment, investing in your videos and stuff like that. So yeah, keep this video secret, YouTube. I did not break any of your TOS. Don't ban me.